How to enable or disable set screen timeout to 30 seconds for power saving on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on device care. From here, tap on battery, then tap on power saving, tap on the left hand side panel. Now scroll down and tap on set screen timeout to 30 seconds. Tap on the toggle button to enable or disable this feature while you are using power saving. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.